How to make the perfect protein shake. Step 1, cut your chicken breast in small pieces. Step 2, put your chicken breast on a microwave safe container. Microwave your chicken breast for about 6 to 7 minutes. Make sure to put some water on there. Now we wait. Make sure your chicken breast is all cooked. If necessary, you can do 30 or 40 more seconds. Looks good. Next, prep your blender. Add 600 milliliters of water to your blender. Half a tomato, some oatmeal, some protein, maybe a bit more, some bell peppers, half a banana, power greens from Costco, a bunch of it, and finally, and most importantly, boiled chicken breast. Let's do it. All right. Now, put it into containers. All right. For the gains. Hush.